Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been waiting for the perfect time to grab Corel software like CorelDRAW, Painter, or Video Studio, this is it. The Black Friday 2025 sale is here, and I've got fresh coupon codes and promo discounts that will save you big. Stick with me until the end because I'll share multiple working codes so you can pick the one that gives you the biggest discount. Corel is known for creating some of the best creative software out there. From graphic design and illustration to photo editing and video production. Whether you're a professional designer, content creator, or just love creative tools, Corel products are powerful and easy to use. And right now, during the Black Friday sale, you can get them at the lowest prices of the year. Here are the codes you can try. Corel Black 75. Save up to 75% off selected Corel products. Draw 2025. Extra 25% off CorelDRAW annual plans. Corel 15 now, flat 15% off site-wide. Paint 20, save 20% on Corel Painter upgrades. Free ship BF. Free shipping on physical software packages. Simply click the special link in the description, choose your product, apply one of these codes at checkout, and watch your price drop instantly. If one code doesn't give you the maximum savings, try another. One of these will definitely work during Black Friday 2025. So don't wait. These Black Friday deals are time limited, and once they're gone, they won't be back until next year. Hit the link in the description, grab your discount, and level up your creative projects with Corel today. If this video helped you save money, drop a like, subscribe for more discount codes and software tips, and let me know in the comments which Corel product you grabbed.